Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to change material. So for example, you can create new design and I will draw rectangle. Use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to change material or if you want to set the material into this object, you can select the object and then go to properties. Okay, in here you can see we have these material names. As default will be set into unknown materials. You can click on drop down menu to choose your material. So like this. Like example, I will use this material and you can click OK. So the material will be automatically set into the objects. You also can see for the material option in here. You can change the fluid in here or you can change for another option. To change again, you can click at this option, material name, click drop down menu and then you can choose your material by clicking into the library tab, and this is for the material. If you have your own material, you can use the local material and then you can click these icons to create new material. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to change material. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.